In this video, you will discover how to edit an invoice in just a few easy steps. There are two ways to do this. Edit directly in the Invoices list or go to the Invoice Details page. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Invoices section. First, I'll demonstrate how to edit an invoice directly within the Invoices list. Click the Edit button next to the specific invoice you'd like to modify. This will take you to the Edit Invoice page, where you can make changes to various fields. As an example, I'll alter the payment terms value. To preserve your changes, click the Save and Issue button. Let's verify that the update has been applied. Perfect. Now, I'll illustrate how to edit an invoice by accessing its designated detail page. To do so, click on the invoice ID that you wish to work with. This will lead you to the Invoice Details page. Locate the Edit button and click it to initiate the editing process. Mirroring the previous example, I'll edit the payment terms value. Congratulations! We've successfully edited invoices in two distinct ways, each requiring only a few simple steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.